In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlock. Select Fingerprint and Face Unlock section here and enter your current login method. Then select Face Unlock under Waist Unlock and hit More at the bottom right corner. Then I agree also at the bottom right corner. Finally, after hitting Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!